Alright, what's up guys, this is Power Fanatic here, coming with my first video on my channel. This is my 2015 4th of July fireworks stash. First off, we have here's my 25-shot Saturn missile battery. Okay, here we have this little 200-gram cake, Battle of Lexington, 19 shots. We have 2 color grenades, smoke grenades. We have some leftover firecrackers, a couple random packs, and then we have a full brick. Next we have this 200-gram cake. It's Golden Willow, 16 shots. Performance, Golden Willow to red with gold dragon tail. Golden Willow to green with gold dragon tail. Pretty big. See in my hand. Next we have this Blitzkrieg. It's a 100-shot fan cake. It has fine performance. No performance, but oh, there it is. There's red, green, blue, white, and yellow mag tails, crackling tail for port. It's a zipper cake. Next we have this pack of 6 Roman candles. It has 2 Blue Thunder crackling candles, it's right there. 2 musket ball candles right here, and 10 crackling ball candles, and 2 10-shot crackling candles. This is 6 Roman candles, 10 shots in each. Next, I have this little 200-gram cake, Boomsday. It's 12 shots. Performance: red tail to red wave, green tail to green wave, blue tail to blue stars, red tail to crackling. Next we have this thing called Circus. It's 66 shots, 200-gram cake. It's in performance. This big performance. I'm going to let you guys read this. You can pause it if you want. Alright, we have some big rockets. Then we have some like Saturn missile type rockets. Then we have, if you guys can see that, there's 3 tubes in there. It fires 3 shots at the very end. It's a very good cake. I had it last year. Next we have this little blowout by FW, 15 shots. It's a very little performance. There it is. There's performance. Burst gold glittering, green glittering, silver glittering. It's pretty cool. Next we have this same kind of cake, but Outburst, 15 shots by FW. The performance is burst crackling, red and green stars with crackling. Next up is we have the 7-inch parachute with color changing flares. I mean, they're not that big. It's pretty cool. I got them. They're cheap. Alright, next we have 2 canister single shot tubes. They're alright size. Performance: gold glitter, willow, blue flower. We have gold crown, chrysanthemum. Next we have this number 300 crackling diamond green. Let's see the performance. There's no performance, but it's 3-inch tube. You can see the size of my hand. We have 3 more of them, number 300 tubes. We have purple, cobalt, red, and then green. Next we have is these whistling blaster artillery shells. It comes with 6. The effects are on here. They're not that big, they're small, really small. Next we have these ninja artillery shells. Focus, sort of effects. They're about the same exact size as the whistling blasters. Nothing special. Next we have these new this year is these Asian full boats by Orion. It has, I don't know if I take out the box, but it has 2 canister shells, 2 ball shells, 2 double breaks, and 2 triple breaks. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, they're really good. We had 2 Aquarians, 12 shots by AFW. Fun performance. There it is. Red, green, blue, and purple peony. Next up, we're getting these larger cakes. We have a Parachute Expedition. It's by Red Hawk Fireworks. I don't know. Oh, yeah. Here's performance. 19 shot red and green pearls with whistling, twisting, dragon to red, and green pearls with crackling. It's 19 shots. It's a highly recommendable cake. Next we have, getting to the big 500 gram cakes, we have Metropolis by Glorious. 61 shots. There's performance. You guys can read that. I don't know. Alright, next we have Flaming Dragon by AFW. 25 shots. Another 500 grammer. There's the performance. Red glowing mines to red glittering. Red glittering mines to red dial with white glittering 5 shots at a time. This will probably be our finale this year. It's Fiesta 500 gram by Red Hawk Fireworks. I don't know how many shots. I don't know if it says it, but there's performance right there. That's 20 shot glittering rising tail to assorted color stars with crackling diadem. Alright, the last firework in the stash. It's called Fatal Air by AFW. It's another 500 grammer. It's 2-inch tubes, 10 shots. Let's see if we can find the performance in here. There it is. That's a lot. So, yeah. Alright, that's the last of my firework stash. We got a lot of stuff this year. We got a lot this year. So this is Pirate Fanatic with my first 2015 4th of July firework stash. Please comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you later.